gonna rub up my legs. Oh, you're so pretty. You gonna lay down on my legs again? Come here. Lay down on my sneakers. I'm gonna lay down on Mary's sneakers. Are you purring? Oh, you are purring. Oh, aren't you sweet? Oh my. You are so sweet. Wait till Marion gets a load of this wonderful, pretty black cat. Oh, you're pretty. I got a picture of Ben. Now I'll get a little picture of you too, sweetheart. I'm gonna do a picture of you, sweetie pie. Gonna lay up and gonna come up. Gonna sit on the chair. Yeah, rubbing up against me. Oh, you're so pretty. Hi, yes. Gonna sit on the chair. If you sit on the chair, maybe I can pet you better. Well, come up. Come up on the chair. There you go. There you go, sweets. I'm getting hot. Oh my. Oh, you're so pretty. I'm gonna lay down on the chair. Oh, you're so pretty and you're purring. Oh my, she's purring. Oh, she's purring. Oh my, you're pretty. I'm up against Mary's hand. Oh, you're so pretty. Oh, you're so pretty. Little purr. Little purr for the phone. I'm too busy talking. Oh my, you're pretty. Oh, you were so pretty. Oh my, you're pretty. You're lovey-dovey, aren't you? I know it's hot, isn't it? It's warm, isn't it? Here, I'll let you have the final say. There you go. There you go. You want to have the final say? I'll let you have the final say. I'll let you have the final say. I'll let you have the final say, sweetheart. Over. There you go. You're so pretty. Oh, I love cats. Oh, yes. I'm going to have to go, sweetheart. I'm going to have to go because I'm going to go home and get cooled off. I'm going to have to go home, sweetheart. You're so pretty. Yes, you are. Okay, bye.